Hey guys, this is Abby Mago from Fire Island Sales and Rentals. I'm excited to take you guys on a tour today of my fabulous exclusive 303 Wilmot Road in Ocean Beach. This house just had a major price reduction. We just cut the price to $1.799 million. That's a $200,000 price reduction. We have a fabulous pool, which you can see here behind me. This is the only house on the market with the pool in Ocean Beach, under $2 million. You can see it's a fabulous sized pool. You also have a huge hot tub and a fabulous deck space. This house was totally renovated with family fun in mind. They utilized the whole side yard area. So you've got a cornhole area, place for games, an outdoor viewing space here with this awesome outdoor TV. You've got a shaded area with an awning and a bar and fabulous amenities for your family to hang out and enjoy. They will never want to leave the house. In addition to the large heated saltwater pool, this house also has a huge hot tub there in the corner. It has not one but two outdoor showers, one of which you can see right there in the corner. And it also has a powder bath, which you can get to directly off of the pool deck so that you never have to track sand or wet clothes through the house. This house was really designed with family living in mind. One of the fabulous aspects of this house is that you have not one but two amazing living spaces. There's a big great room inside, which we'll show you in a minute, but one of my favorite parts is this fabulous lounge area right here off the pool deck that has great connection to the back area. One of my favorite aspects of this home is the beautiful updated kitchen. You have stainless steel appliances, gas range, and this huge island, which is perfect for entertaining and serving on. You also have a massive pantry, which is very important. Obviously, you have to have lots of storage. So this is an amazing beach house kitchen right here. Right off the primary suite, there's this amazing little deck right here, so you have your own little refuge away from the rest of the house. We're up at the roof deck here at 303 Wilmot. This is such a special amenity for a house to have. You can see the gorgeous bay views behind me, but the reason this space is so special is because roof decks are no longer allowed by the Ocean Beach zoning code. If you have one that is legal and grandfathered in, you're allowed to keep it. So this is such a special amenity. It's so hard to duplicate, and you can hang out here and enjoy the breathtaking views and the epic sunsets that take place right over the Great South Bay right there. It's such a special spot in such a special home. You guys should come and check it out. Thanks so much for touring 303 Wilmot with me today. This home is now asking $1.799 million. It's on an oversized 50 by 100 lot in a great location in Ocean Beach. Large homes with pools are very hard to come by, especially under the $2 million mark. So give me a call today and I'd be glad to give you a tour in person. Bye-bye.